So you'll notice once you set up your rubrics in Canvas that they look quite a bit different than the rubrics we have been using. So here you'll see this is Language and Literature Criterion B, Organizing, and this is the standard way that we've been doing it or using. And this is what Criterion B looks like in Canvas. So there are some big reasons for those differences. First of all, in our next video, I'm going to show you how to use SpeedGrader. And in order to use SpeedGrader well and easily, it made sense for us to not just do each strand in the 1, 2, the 3, 4, the 5, 6, to have 4 strands. It made a lot more sense for us to break that out into 8 different separate places that we could click. Now, you'll notice that both the 7 and the 8 have the same wordage, the same words that the 7 and 8 strand would have down in our regular rubric. However, you are able to either click 7 or 8 instead of having to circle it. So that's one of the big differences. The other big difference that you'll notice is that we start with the 8 and go down to the 1. And that goes pretty contrary to our IB philosophy, which is it's a growth mindset, that we want to see first what the student can do, and then once we see if the students can do that, then we go to that next one. Unfortunately, we talked quite a bit to Canvas about this, about flip-flopping that, and at this time, that's not possible. We do think that this gives us enough benefits to outweigh that, but we want you to keep in mind that with IB scoring, it's a growth mindset. So we really want to look at what the student can do, and then we're working them toward that higher level. So I wanted to explain those two differences in the way that you'll see the IB rubrics.